What's going down, guys? Welcome to another of my YouTube videos, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing another beard company, another beard oil that came from Europe. This is my second European beard company. The first one was 7 Potions, which is UK based company, and the second one is GoldenBeards. This is what it looks like. It came from Denmark. Very good looking label to my opinion. Big Sur, it's the name of their scent, and the company was established in 2015, so they've been around for 3 years now. I came across GoldenBeards on Instagram, so I will post their Instagram link down below in the description box, as well as their Facebook, their website, and also my Instagram link, so you guys can follow both of us. And so I kind of found them on Instagram, started communicating with them, and they sent this beard oil to me. Big Sur, I did not know until I basically kind of like looked it up on their website. It is a central coast of California. That's what the name represents. And now ingredients used for these specific scents are jojoba oil, argan oil, and apricot oil. And now essential oils are lavender, lime, and patchouli. I'm a big fan of refreshing kind of scents, which this one 100% is. I'm not a big fan of patchouli, but in combination with lime and lavender, what it does is something that I would never realize. It actually helps that both lavender and lime to stand out even more, in my opinion. So it is, I smell lime more than lavender, but a very strong lime and followed by lavender and then patchouli. But it is very, very refreshing scent, very good for springtime and summertime. It is 3 o'clock afternoon here in New York, and I applied it like first thing in the morning, which is like 7:30 a.m. and I can still smell that scent on my beard. I've received these a couple days ago, so I've been testing it out for a couple days, and I have to tell you, the scent lasts pretty much for the whole day, so it is a good, very strong scent. They have 4 scents available for both beard oil and beard balms. Now, Big Sur is one of them. The second one they have, I have it in front of me, so I'm gonna read it for you guys. The second one is Arctic, and the ingredients for Arctic scent are jojoba oil, argan oil, and as far as essential oils are concerned, it's lavender, orange, and peppermint, so that sounds like another refreshing scent. Now, the third one is Certic. Jojoba oil, argan oil is carrier oils, which is pretty much the same. Essential oils, lavender, lime, patchouli, peppermint, and tea tree. Awesome. And then the fourth one, Toscana. Toscana is part of Italy, very well known for vineyards, and that's what the scent kind of like represented. It's a mix of good wine, earth, and olive. Now, carrier oil used for Toscana are the same: jojoba oil, argan oil, and essential oils, juniper and ginger. Now, maybe I wish to use more carrier oils and some vitamin E and stuff like that. It's very healthy, very good, but everything is 100% organic and natural, which is awesome. This is 1 ounce solid bottle. Now, the consistency to me, it's medium thick. So this is what it looks like, just so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. Medium thick. The color is light yellow, but the scent is awesome. Loving it. Big fan of this scent. 17 euros for 1 ounce beard oil, which is roughly 20 American dollars, and 18 euros for 2 ounce beard container, which is roughly 21 American dollars. Now, they offer free shipping inside of Denmark. If you guys are, for those international orders, you guys are going to have to order products worth of minimum of 35 American dollars, so you can apply for free shipping. Now, they also have beard wash and beard conditioner. I'm not really sure what the scents are and how much our dose are, but I will definitely look it up and let you know. I don't know if they're on Amazon, but if they are, at the end of this video, I will post a link down on Amazon, but I don't think they are, but I don't know. I'm not really sure. I will check it out and let you guys know. Very good company. I'm definitely impressed. So guys, if this sounds something like you would try, just give it a shot. I will post a link down below so you can guys check them out. Thanks for stopping by, watching another of my videos. Now stay tuned, because there is more beard products review coming up, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Cheers.